In this video, I'm going to give you 12 gift ideas for him that are thoughtful, unique, fantastic. I love getting gifts. I don't know about you, but I just love receiving gifts, and I also love giving gifts. Now, when you've been together with someone for a while, I've been married for almost 9 years this month, sometimes you run out of ideas for gifts. And you know, there are so many holidays in the year where you have to sort of try to think of a gift that you can give your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend. And let's start with 12 amazing gifts for him. One of the best things that I got for my husband a while back was a genuine leather belt. I love these leather belts because first of all, this is genuine leather, and also it is two-sided, which means one side comes in dark brown and then the other side comes in black. So all you need to do is to flip the belt buckle flips. So if you want to wear it on the brown side, then you do that like that, and then if you want to wear it on the black side, you just flip the buckle again, goes back to the black side. So this is really good. And while we're still on genuine leather, another great idea is a genuine leather wallet. This is really fantastic because you know, men and their wallets, this is something that he removes, you know, when he needs to pay for something, and it needs to be something that makes him feel good. So this is a genuine leather wallet, and it's really nice, and you can get it either dark brown or black. Doesn't fade, doesn't get torn, and it's a really good one. So I think this one goes for 1800 Kenya shillings, and same price as the leather belt. And I'll put a link for everything. Don't worry, everything that I mentioned today, I'll put a link in the description below for you to get that fantastic gift for the man in your life. Another thing that I also wanted to show you is a desk. This is a desk pen holder. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I love how it is so pretty. I love it. And he can put it on his desk, and then he can have a pen here. Then he just put pens. You know, like when you go into someone's office, just don't want to see pens lying around on the desk. So this is really nice. And look, there's a male swan and a female swan, and it's really nice. So this is a great gift. This one goes for 3,890 shillings. The next gift that I want to show you is a wall clock. We have these nice, unique gifts. This is a wall clock that he can put on his wall in his office or at home. It's really nice because it's made of 100% wood. The workmanship is fantastic, and then it generally works just like any other wall clock. And this is going for 4,690, and this will last like forever. So I just want to give you guys general ideas on gifts depending on your price range, so that you can just pick where you want to, how much money you want to spend, and you have a great gift idea for that. Now this fantastic one is one that he can put on his desk, either in the office or at home, and it's really nice and unique. It's not something that you're going to find anywhere, and that's why I think I really appreciate gifts that I won't go and find that they're being mass produced in China or any other country. And this is really nice because the workmanship is fantastic, and it only goes for 3,990. So yeah, this is really good. Works as any other clock, and you will not find it in any other office. So for that gift that you want to say I love you, and special, you are unique, get them a unique gift. Alright, cologne, you can never go wrong with cologne. Now I forgot to bring a sample of one of my husband's colognes, but you can find them on Jumia. I'm going to put a link. As I said, everything will be linked down below. So just get a cologne that, one, either you know that he likes, or two, that you like. Because now on to another great idea. If your man has made a resolution that he is going to be healthy and fit, one thing you can buy for him is like a sports armband, or where he can put his phone as he's jogging or running, or even better, a sports watch. You know, the ones that tell you how many steps you've taken a day, your sleeping habits, your heart rate, and all that. Those are really fantastic. It's a really great gift, and it shows that you're thinking about helping him achieve his resolutions. Another option would be to get him, when we're on electronics, earbuds or earpods for the ears, the hands-free set that you use when you're driving. You can listen to your music without all the wires that comes in. As in, we're moving from headphones and earphones, we're going to buds. So now, another fantastic gift. Do you know how hard it is to find good clothes for men that are unique? And it's really hard to find a nice ready-made African shirt. So when I discovered these ones for my husband, this one is literally from my husband's closet, and I just love them. They are made by a designer. I think, is it a designer, honey, or what is it?
It's a shop.
It's a brand. It's a brand. It's called Woodin in West Africa. They have the best kind of African wear, the best kind of fabric, never fades. Just looks fantastic, and every time my husband wears this, every single time, he always gets a compliment from. And there's always a guy asking him, why did you buy that? It's really nice and everything. Because you know, men are always looking for nice and unique things that will not be found with everyone else. Let me show you guys my favorite shirt for my husband. I love this shirt. Okay, red is not my favorite color, but look at this. Every time he wears this shirt, every single time, someone will ask me, where did you get that shirt? So this is a really nice, and it doesn't fade. So I'd really highly recommend just getting one of these shirts. One goes for 3,990 Kenyan shillings, and it doesn't go wrong. I mean, so many guys are always asking where he gets his shirt. So this one is really nice, and your man, you know, it's gonna look good when he goes for those functions. And then electioneering season is coming up, and you know, people want to look a certain type of way when they're going for those rallies and everything. So yeah. Oh, African sandals. Yes, African sandals for your man for the day that he wants to just chill out at home. I think I have a pair here. Let me show you guys. This is really good. You can get some that are bedazzled, like these ones. They have the nice beads, all right? Or you can get others that just are plain black or dark brown. These are really nice and handy for just lounging at home, or when you're going to the beach. They're really nice. Another gift for a man would be a magazine rack. You know, when he likes to do his reading and he wants to read his magazines or his books, a place where he can write. A great magazine rack goes for about 10,900 shillings. Again, we're doing the broad spectrum, and it's really nice, made of great wood, and it's not going to go out of fashion anytime soon. And something else that a man would like, I believe, would be just a general gift basket. You know, the nice gift baskets that are made specifically for men. I'm going to put a photo here and a link on where you can get fantastic gift baskets, and also they make really nice corporate gifts. So that would be a really nice gift for your man in any type of occasion. And don't worry guys, I will also give you ideas of gifts that cost you nothing. Those will be like the bonus ideas that cost you nothing, and anyone and everyone will love. So we are done with gifts for men. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking, okay, I want to give a gift but my budget does not allow, what can I do that would not cost me a lot of money or that would cost me no money at all? Don't worry, I have 3 fantastic gift ideas that will cost you nothing. Number 1 is you can make a video on your phone and send to her or him. Now this applies to both him and her. That just says how much you love them and why you just love being married to them, or you know, all those nice things. And I think they would really love just hearing it and just having it on their phone that they can watch anytime. Or you can even write them a letter. My husband has written me a lot of letters, even when we were still married, before we got married, and even after. Sometimes I'll just come from work and find this lovely note from Apparel. It's really nice, it speaks a lot, and it costs nothing. Another thing that would be really nice and won't cost you any money is to sort of write down all the reasons why you love them, and in small individual pieces of paper, and then you can just put them in like a jar or a container and give them. to her or him, and then they'll just be pulling one per day and they'll say, oh, I love you because you make me smile, oh, I love you because because all those becauses that you know that you love this person for. I think it's a really nice gift idea. And last one is just fun things that you want to do in the future, like if you need ideas for date nights, and just write down different ideas for date night that you guys want to do in the period, in the course of like 1 year. Then you just on individual pieces of paper, and then when it's time to go somewhere, you just pull out and say, oh, today let's go to Giraffe Center. Yeah, that's cool. Then you go. So I think that's really nice, because it's sort of like a promise that you're making, a promise that we're going to do all these fun things together within the next 1 year. It's nice, and it costs nothing. It costs nothing to write them and to put them in. You know what I mean? As in, it's a really nice gift idea. And there goes my list. I hope you guys found this useful. And if you're married to someone who really just, will not really tell you what they want, like my husband, whenever I ask him, okay, honey, what would you like for Christmas? He always says, anything you choose, or you're my gift, or such nice things. But then it still leaves you like, okay, now what will I get this man, or what will I get this lady? So I hope this video is going to help you, and I wish you all the best, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.